Hi everyone, and today we're going to look at this item here. The brand is L8STAR Smart LED Stripe Light. That's the one we can install behind the TV. We can look at the box. The box is about 4 inch by 4 inch. Here they tell you some specification. RGB. It's good for the music. You have a dimmer on it and built with a mic. Let's open it and look inside what exactly we have. We have the user manual to explain you how to install it. You have the warranty card, tell you this is 3-month on warranty, and inside we have 2 emails if you need to reach them. You have the cable USB to install on the TV. You have 4 sticker, transparent sticker. You have the remote control with the battery include, CR2025 3V, and the LED stripe. The length 6.5 feet long. First thing, let's clean the TV. The TV is clean, so now let's install the LED stripe. Install the cable in USB in behind your TV. Let me show you what I love about this brand here. When it's time to install on the TV, like that, the small cable here, it's not going to break, so you can turn it like that and that's going to be perfect. So this is a 43-inch TV, and the best way I found to install it, it was that way. And what I did, I take those sticker here, cut it in half, I put it one here and one on the other side, just to be sure those wires, they're not moving. Okay, you have 2 ways to play with the light, with the remote control or with the app. They show you inside the user manual. This is good for Android or Apple, and here they explain you everything you need to know to play with your cell phone. They're going to show you how to open it, close it, change the color. Everything you need to know is inside the user manual. Okay, let me show you some color. This is red, green, blue, and you have a lot more if you want white. And after that you have flashing, dimmer, but at the same time they change color, and a little bit slower. They change the color, and we come back to white. I hope you like this video about those LED stripe L8STAR. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And the link about this item is going to be down there. And see you in the next one.